Hello, let me show you how you can lock apps on your Google Pixel phone. And yes, they actually finally add this function into any Pixel phones with Android 15. So first of all, as I said before, you have to be sure that your Pixel phone is running for Android 15. So we can actually check this by going into settings, and right here, you will have to go for About Phone section and take a look. In my case, the version of Android will be available here. As you can see, here we can find the Android 15. So if your phone is running for Android 15, you can simply go into settings. Right now, you will have to keep scrolling and go for security and privacy. Now, you will have to start scrolling again, and you will have to go for private space. Then you have to select this private space lock. So I'm gonna actually choose the new lock. Let's put this random one. Let's get a 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, as you can see, we can choose a screen lock, like the new one, right? So we can also continue without fingerprint unlock. This is your choice. In my case, I'm gonna for sure do this. Simple pattern. Now I can also set up my fingerprint, but I don't want to do this right now. And as you can see, now I can go back. And here I can even hide this private space if I want. So what doesn't mean that that now I can stop other people knowing that I have a private space on my device. So I can hide it from app list. And in the search bar, I will have to enter the private space. So let's try it. There we go. Now, as you can see, it shouldn't actually appear here. I'm gonna lock this. Take a look. It's not even here. But when I'm gonna tap on this search and input private space, I can actually open it right now. So I can input my data. Here I am. If I want to add here some apps, I can just tap on it. I can go into the Google Play Store and simply install them from the Google Play Store. And when I'm gonna tap on this settings, I can also delete this private space if I want. And there's also option to lock private space automatically every time I locks my device, 5 minutes after screen timeout or only after device restart. So as you can see, that's how it actually looks. And this is actually great that they finally add this feature into this phone.